Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we simplify tech for you. In today's video, we're exploring how to use Stremio on Android. So if you're looking for an awesome way to organize and stream your favorite shows and movies, this app is a game changer. So let's just dive right in. In order to do that, step number one is downloading Stremio in your device. So start by downloading the Stremio app on your Android device. Head over to the Google Play Store on your device. After that, go to the search and just type in Stremio here. And once you reach there, just tap on install and wait for the download to be completed. After the download is completed, you may just directly open the app on your device. And next, you'll need to log in or create a free Stremio account. If you're new, just tap on sign up and enter your details and follow the instructions. But if you already have an account, just log in with your credentials. And once you're in, the app's home screen will show you trending content and popular titles. You may just use the search bar at the top to find specific shows or movies and tap on title to see details, ratings, and available streaming options. Step number 4 is begin add-ons. Install add-ons. To get most out of Stremio, you need to install add-ons. Tap on the puzzle piece at the bottom in the menu. After that, you may just browse all of the add-ons here. Like here are different kind of add-ons available, which are official, community, and installed on your device. So you may just go ahead and tap on the add-on here. Go ahead and install it, like the add-ons you want to use, like YouTube, Netflix, or other sources. Go ahead and install it. Now that you've set up your add-ons, go back to the home screen and search for content. Select the show or movie you want to watch. Tap on the play button, choose the streaming shows, and enjoy. And that's it. Now you're ready to use Stremio on your Android device like a pro. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech videos, and let us know in the comments what's your favorite thing to watch on Stremio. Until next time, happy streaming!